Marvel Rivals.
Marvel Rivals.
Marvel Rivals.
Marvel Rivals.
Hey everyone, Josiah here, and today we're turning your Marvel Rivals gameplay into a cinematic masterpiece. Think Marvel movies, but with way more button mashing and way less Chris Hemsworth. Let's make your gameplay look so good, even Thanos would pause to watch. If you've ever wanted to create those epic, jaw-dropping cinematic videos but didn't know where to start, you're in the right place. By the end of this video, you'll be the Spielberg of Marvel Rivals. Let's dive in. Step 1. Conceptualize your story. First, every great cinematic video needs a story. Think of your characters as actors, each with their own mood, vibe, and drama. Maybe Iron Man's all flashy and sarcastic, while Black Widow's got that mysterious, I could end you in 2 seconds energy. Plan out their roles and how they'll shine in your video. And remember, no one wants to watch a 10-minute video of someone just walking around, unless it's Hulk. Then it's kind of funny. Step 2. Gather footage. Use OBS Studio or any recording tool to capture your gameplay. Pro tip, record more than you need. It's better to have extra footage than to realize you missed the perfect shot of Spider-Man doing a backflip. Trust me, I've been there. It's not pretty. Step 3. Camera angles and movement. Now, let's talk camera angles. Marvel Rivals has a killer director mode. Use it to pan, tilt, and rotate like a pro. Here's a quick rundown of the controls. Pan forward, press W. Pan backward, press S. Pan left, press A. Pan right, press D. Vertical up, press E. Vertical down, press Q. Spectate, player 1 to 12, press F1 to F12. Player POV, press Z. Follow camera, press X. Bird's eye view, press V. Free camera, your best friend. Press C. Linear and orbit camera. Press I or O. Note, you can't use keys W, S, A, D, E, Q mouse scroll if you don't press C free camera first. And if you're feeling fancy, use slow motion with num or fast forward with arrow right. Just don't get too carried away, or you'll end up with a video that looks like it was filmed during an earthquake. Step 4. Character. Posing. Posing. Your characters is like herding cats. Tricky, but worth it. Use free camera to get the perfect angle. Low angles make heroes look like gods, and high angles? Well, let's just say they're great for showing off how tiny Ant-Man is. And don't forget slow motion for those oh snap moments, because nothing says cinematic like a punch landing in glorious slow-mo. Step 5. Editing like a pro. Now, let's edit. Use tools like Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve to cut, arrange, and polish your footage. Add music, sound effects, and transitions to make it pop. And please, for the love of Stan Lee, sync your beats to the action. No one wants to see Iron Man punch someone to the sound of elevator music. Epic music equals epic video. It's science. And there you have it. With a little planning, some killer camera work, and a dash of editing magic, you can turn your Marvel Rivals gameplay into a cinematic masterpiece. So grab your controller, fire up director mode, and start creating. And hey, if your video turns out awesome, drop it in the comments. I'd love to see it. Thanks for watching. And remember, with great power comes great responsibility. And by power, I mean director mode. See you next time.